In this video, we'll cover Microsoft Autopilot with Autologin. Lenovo has already provided Autopilot device registration to thousands of customers for Windows PCs. And now, with Microsoft extending Autopilot with Autologin to Teams rooms, you can do the same with your ThinkSmart Meeting Room Kits for faster, easier deployment. Autopilot works by registering a device's unique hardware ID with the Microsoft Autopilot deployment service, so it appears in the customer's M365 environment and receives configuration policies. At first boot, the Teams Room Kit connects to the Autopilot service, which directs it to the customer's M365 environment for automatic setup. Lenovo or your cloud service provider can pre-register your ThinkSmart devices to simplify deployment. The simplest option is the Config to Order or CTO process, which lets you customize devices at manufacturing. You can choose hardware like a ThinkSmart Core Gen 2 and add software services such as custom images and pre-configured BIOS settings. Autopilot device registration can also be included in the CTO bill of material, so your ThinkSmart device is registered during manufacturing and arrives ready to use. You'll need to authorize Lenovo in your M365 admin panel so we can register devices to Autopilot on your behalf. You'll also provide your Entra ID tenant ID, primary domain, and any group tag values if you plan to apply special policies. Keep in mind that with Microsoft Teams Room Autopilot using Autologin, a group tag starting with MTR- is required. If your ThinkSmart devices are already in the distribution channel or at your premises, you can provide Lenovo with the device serial number or Microsoft product key ID found on the product and carton labels to register it with Autopilot. Once Lenovo registers your devices with Autopilot, they will appear in your Entra portal and the registration will be complete. When Lenovo registers a device, only the device identity and the customer's Entra ID tenant information are sent to Microsoft through a secure Lenovo Microsoft API. Lenovo never has access to your Entra ID tenant and never connects to your devices or network during Autopilot registration. A third option is to have your cloud service provider register Autopilot devices on your behalf. Lenovo can support this with a PKID report service, allowing your partner to upload devices through the Microsoft Partner Center. The fourth and final service, called the 4KHH report, or 4K hardware hash, provides you with each device's unique hardware identifier. This allows you to handle registration yourself by uploading your ThinkSmart devices directly into your Intune Autopilot page. Setting up your M365 environment for Microsoft Teams Room Autopilot using Autologin. You'll only need to complete these steps once. Enable Windows Automatic Intune Enrollment, so devices apply your Intune policies as soon as they join Entra. Create a dynamic group for all Teams Room devices using a group tag, starting with MTR-. Deploy the Teams Room app update tool so devices update automatically at first boot. Create an Autopilot Enrollment Status page, or ESP, to control what appears on the room display during deployment. Create a self-deploying Autopilot profile, and assign a local administrator password solution policy to set the Windows local admin password automatically. After these 6 steps, your environment is ready to test. Microsoft provides full instructions on their website. Check the description for a link. In the meantime, open your Pro Management portal to link the Autopilot device to the resource account you plan to use. This step is required for Autologin. Once your M365 setup is successfully tested, you're ready to go. All your technician needs to do is unpack the room kit, connect the cables, and power it on. The front of room display will show the app and profile configuration progress. The out-of-box experience can take anywhere from 15 minutes to an hour, making it quicker than the manual setup process. And because Autopilot automates the deployment and provisioning process, installers can clean up the room and move on to the next installation. After Autopilot is finished, your device will be ready to use immediately. To make managing these devices even easier, especially out-of-band devices, you can use Intune to push the manual claiming JSON file during Autopilot to connect the device to ThinkSmart Manager automatically, providing ongoing deep-level remote monitoring and management of your room system. For more information about MTR Autopilot, contact your Lenovo Sales Representative. And if you want to learn more about your ThinkSmart device, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube or go to smartsupport.lenovo.com.